Well, hello there, my angels. Welcome to my channel and to another video. So why don't we get started then? Come on, let's go. Look at these absolutely delicious ribs. Well, once again, I'm taking another recipe from my international cuisine textbook from culinary school. You'll find a link to a full recipe in my description box. The original recipe called for Korean chili paste, but I'm cheating a little bit and using Korean chili sauce, which is why it looks a little bit saucy there. I'm using baby back ribs, but if you're using full-size spare ribs, be sure to cut them in half. Prep, then mince the ginger and the garlic if you haven't already done so. You may also use a paper towel to grip that silver skin and pull it right off.
Doing crazy dreaming, you're the reason why. Hiding by the baby, losing my mind. Don't try to save me, I feel alive. My world is faster and faster, the tears
If you use Korean chili paste instead of the sauce as I have, you'll be creating a rub. Mine is going to be a sauce.
'Cause you know how wild it could get. Yes, to love an emotional mess. Yes, you wouldn't want me any less. Yes, 'cause you know how wild it could get. To love an emotional.
If you use Korean chili paste to create a rub, make sure every single piece is completely coated. Make sure you rub it in nicely. I use the sauce, so I'm making sure I turn everything over and make sure it's covered before I refrigerate. I chose to marinate my ribs overnight. I will be broiling my ribs using the broiler setting in my oven instead of grilling outside. Yes, ma'am. These ribs were as wonderfully tasty, tender, and juicy as they look. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please try to make it on your own. Put in the comments if you have. Thank you, my angels, for staying to the very end. If you like this video, be sure to give me a like. That's going to be a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. And please stay tuned to see what I have next on this channel. Be sure to check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. There, we'll put what we have next in store for this channel. And please, be the blessing to someone today. And as always in parting, I wish you many blessings and much favor until we meet again. I'll see you next time.